Till what did we do in yesterday session? Hello?
I'm on unmute. I'm on mute. Yesterday we downloaded Jenkins, but when we are running the WAR file, I think I got an error.
Apart from that, what did we do?
We learned about the priorities, grouping.
Did I provide parameters?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Jenkins is showing issue now. Let's check that one. I'm making as a presenter. I mean, you can make yourself presenter. Let me stop share my screen. Hi, Emma. Please share your screen.
Yes, I did.
Okay. So it says Eclipse is up and running, right? Can you just expand the window, maximize this window, please? Yes, command prompt window. Mm, Actually, your screen resolution and mine is a little different. So right click on this command prompt.
Right.
On the top header, the white person, right click on that. Click on properties. You can click on font tab. Okay, can you make it to 18 something? Size 18. Okay. Now it's better. I can see now. Scroll up. Please check. Let's see. Scroll up. We left it yesterday, right? You did not close this window today. I mean, system.
Yeah, nobody will touch this except me.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. This is Hudson Update Center. Fail to update this site for plugin updates may fail. Mm, Not sure on this one. Okay. Let's. Can please press Control C. Click on this window and please Control C. Control C.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Enter. Control C used to uh, cancel all these things here. This kind of window, generally used for copying, but canceling this kind of window.
It is running some things.
Yeah, it is expected to run. For all jobs. You should see that Jenkins is up and running. That statement should come.
Okay.
Yes. Now can you go to your browser? Localhost 8080, not this one.
Shall I close this?
No. This one you should not close. If you close, then it is running Jenkins. This one is acting as server.
Okay.
Now go to your browser. I cannot see. You can minimize the screen now if you want. Yeah, I think okay. Chrome is taking time to load. Okay, please open Chrome. It will take time and it will come back. Yeah, Chrome lost its place. So it is. Yeah, hold on. It actually it came out of the RAM, right? It was idle for quite some time. That's why it was pushed out of the RAM. It's loading. Okay, go ahead now. Yeah, HTTP colon double slash localhost 8080. Yeah, enter. It sometimes takes time to load, but it will load. Okay, now go to your open Windows R, press Windows and R, enter. Notepad. You know, right? How it is coming from Windows R because yesterday we pasted this one, so it was copied this one. Copy this password. Okay, I can close this window after copying. Now in the user, you can write admin and password is the one that you just copied. Paste this one. Sign in. Remember me in this computer can do. Please open the command prompt. Let's see what's happening. It's taking so much time. Okay, I don't know. Please click on that again. Command prompt. If you click on that again, it will be minimized. I mean, open the browser. Yeah, you can close this one. Open the browser. This is your dashboard. It'll open. You can save this one.
See?
Yeah. Okay. Let it be like this. You can close the tabs. That is setup wizard, the Jenkins tab, and Jenkins download tab. You can close down the other tabs and keep the last tab alive. Okay, think there's some issue. Fine. Yeah.
Oh. No, that's a download. Okay.
Only last tab is required. Other tabs is based on your uh, requirements, so you can keep this. What is the RAM size here?
I don't remember.
Okay, you can do this one while it comes back.
Mhm.
It's coming back. But Jenkins processing, I mean, taking quite a long time here.
Oops.
Okay, from here that you see, right, this big window, whatever you don't want, you can right click on that and you can unpin them. So that's what I did. Right click on anything that you don't want. Suppose anything. Looks like this system requires some rest sometimes. Like
Yeah.
we were sleeping, this one also needs to sleep for 2-3 hours a day. Yeah, you can do all this things later. Right now. Next, yeah, open the computer and see my computer and check what's the status.
He's responsible for the
Okay,
whole thing.
can you please press Control Shift and Escape? Press Control Shift and Escape. Keep pressing Control Shift and then press Escape.
Control Shift and Escape.
Yeah, it should open the Task Manager.
Oh,
Okay, do you see the Performance tab? Last tab, Performance. Second tab. Yeah, click on it. You already clicked on it, I guess. See, memory, it is taking all your 8 GB memory. So memory, see, out of 8 GB RAM, it is taking entire GB RAM. That's why. So you need to close down the application that you are not using.
Okay, okay.
So click on that memory, see, the second one, it's going full. If it goes
Oh,
full, it's not able to do anything. 8 GB RAM is there. You can close the IE and all, which if you're not using anything, you can close that.
do you want me to close now, or I can do it later if you want.
Yeah, I can do anything. This one is taking a lot of space, I guess. If you have anything, then you should keep it. But I think 23 tabs is open in Edge browser. That's why.
I don't know which one is the one. Okay.
Okay, see the performance now. Is it any better? See,
Yeah,
I was blocking like anything.
right.
Okay. Now your system will be smooth. You can minimize and all you can do.
They
Yeah,
were
you can. Yeah,
close.
anything you can close. You can close one of the thing. Yes. Right. So Jenkins is ready. So like this, if you want to start Jenkins, how do you do? Let's do that again. Close the browser.
This browser, right?
Yeah, just the browser and the command prompt also. Close the command prompt. We want to do from the beginning. How do you do? Okay. Go to the place where you have Jenkins.war. Is it on desktop?
Mm-hmm.
Jenkins. Okay. Take a note of this command. You must be knowing, but I'm just saying you can take a note. Java space minus char space Jenkins.war. It will by default open in 8080 port. If you want a different port, we can do that one as well. Jenkins
K E or KI?
ki dot war. Enter. You should see Jenkins is up and running. Maybe fully up and running, something like that will come.
Yeah, Jenkins is fully up and running.
That's great. Now open the browser. It is updating. You can take a bookmark on this one. Press Ctrl D. Yeah, like this also you can do. You can give bookmarks bar in the folders instead of other bookmarks. Click on that. Bookmarks bar will come in the bookmark. Done. It's coming. Dashboard Jenkins.
Mhm.
It's in the bookmark, right? In the bar, bookmarks bar is added.
Yeah.
Dashboard Jenkins. Yeah, done. Like this will do. We'll come to Jenkins later. I just wanted to do some few stuff. That's why. Do you see Manage Jenkins on the left side?
You want me to click?
Yes. Click on Manage Plugins. Okay. Click on Available tab. How about internet connection? Is it good now?
Yeah. Yeah, it is good.
You can check the internet speed. Just try that. Fast.com. Fast.com. Enter. Yeah, it's good only then. Hmm. It's good only. Fine. Okay, something is it's happening. It's going on and on for long. Okay, let it happen. We'll come back to this one. I'm coming to my screen now. Let me know once it opens. I mean, in the meanwhile, while you were saying this. Okay, it's opening. It is. Okay, go to filter box. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here. Filter box. Where is that?
Filter box.
Oh,
And search for Maven.
Maven.
Yes. Yeah, please click on enter after typing Maven.
I did.
Oh, sorry.
It's
Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
I think there is a bit of issue here. Not sure what is the issue. It's not able to flag it. Maybe we need to set up again the entire
Set
thing.
up, set up again the Jenkins.
Yeah. Okay. So now, can you please go to your C drive?
See,
Now, please close the Jenkins. I mean, close this window and all. Close this window and also the command prompt window. Now, go to your C drive. And then users, username, users, and then username, Radha Krishna, I guess. Dot Jenkins, second folder. Delete the entire thing here. Right click and delete. Okay. Now go to the place where you have the Jenkins. So the one that you deleted is when you create the profile, right? It will come like this.
delete the whole thing.
No, no, you don't have to delete this one. No, Jenkins data was deleted. Jenkins or war file, this is the one that has to be done. Yeah, please do the operation again. Please run Jenkins. Java -jar space Jenkins.war. It will start from beginning as well. Beginning extraction from war file. You can put this Jenkins within Tomcat, or you can do through Winstone. By default, it will take the Jetty plugin Winstone. If you don't want to get into that technically, it's okay. A new password has been generated.
Oh, okay.
In that, please copy this password, please. Yeah, copy this password. It's there all there already. 713D, something like that. And type in. You can select. You can select.
I
Click at the
can.
end. You can select it. Or if you don't want, you have the space, right? See users Jenkins secrets initial password. Okay, do one thing. Go to the browser and local host call 8080. Please do. It will give you that location as well. It is setting up from the beginning because we deleted this dot Jenkins folder. Copy this path. I think you've already copied this one in your. It's already in the run window. So please press Windows R, Windows R, enter, and select the notepad. Double click on it. Enter thing copy. Control A, Control C. Minimize this window. Paste here. Continue. Update password. Install SciShare plugin.
Oh, I think this is where earlier we had an
It's
issue.
stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. It did not download the basic plugins. So Jenkins
Oh,
is all about plugins.
okay.
It will take some time. So we'll come back to my system. I'm sharing my screen now.
Okay.
Opens for me. I'm opening a different port. You see 9090 I'm opening here.
How do you do that? Because sometimes when we are working on some computers, some ports are being used, right? So how do you set up this different port?
For that you need to write Jenkins.war, right? Then
Hmm.
minus HTTP port 9090.
So if you want to assign it a different port, you have to write like that.
Yes. After you wrote Java minus char, as you were in that same folder, that's why you wrote only Jenkins.war. I was in desktop, that's why I can give the entire path of this where the jar file is present.
Okay.
So this is the command that I gave here. At the end, you write minus minus HTTP port equals to whatever the port number you want to give.
Okay.
You can create your own username and password. Okay, I forget. Right, I'll see later. Let it complete for you. Hmm. So Dave, yesterday we were started with Jenkins. We completed Jenkins here. Now what we're going to do is automation practice. So in this one, did you complete the login scenario?
I think so. Yeah.
Did you click on sign in
Mm-hmm.
and enter username and password?
Yes.
Then click on sign in.
Yes.
It's working till here.
Yes.
That's great. Now let's do the same thing in the Jita. So we created a Maven project, right? In the previous sessions. Okay. Now when you create a Maven project, it will point to Java library 1.5, J2SE 1.5, right?
Okay.
So, okay. Hello,
Yes.
am I audible now?
Yes. Yes. I can hear you.
And there's a bit of issue here. Now, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, you can hear me now. Actually, I disconnect somehow. My mic was earphone was disconnected. You were talking about this one. When you create a Maven project, it will by default give you 1.5 library, but the syntax will using there to me use the newer version of the code. So we need to change this version. So how to do that? Right click on this project here, then you go to build path, configure build path. Okay. In the libraries part, sometimes it will come like this one. Click on libraries tab. You will see this one, GID system library 1.5. Click on it. Click on remove, add library, GRS system library, install GRS. I don't have JDK. I want to add JDK to this one. Add standard VM directory. This PC uh, based on your system. Maybe it's your Windows 7. Then it is my computer. C. The program files. Then Java somewhere Java, and select the version. I want to go for JDK 1.8. Click on OK. Finish. By default, I want to give to 1.jdk. So I give here like this. Apply. OK. And by default, GRE system library is this one. Finish. OK. Apply. Now one more thing is left. Go to the compiler. It will be 1.5 because the library was 1.5. So make it to 1.8. Click on apply. Yes. Okay. Done. Clear on this one? But how did I do this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to create a project here. So add the test case here. I'll just create a package here. Name is test at site login scenario. Let public void correct login. Do the test. Why it's not coming up? What's the reason? It's taking time, but why it's not coming? And this reason? In the Maven project, we did not add the dependency for cell test ng. Like we added this one, right? Test ng. These two things are required. I have not added in the Maven project.
Oh, okay.
That's why it is not appearing here. So in the Maven project, you don't have to download the jar and you need to add to build path. You can go to pom.xml. It is a heart of Maven project. And go to pom.xml here. Here within dependencies, we're going to do this one. Search for uh, test ng Maven dependency. If you search here and click on this link, select 6.11 and copy this thing here. See Maven here, copy this, paste here. This one thing. Now if you save this one, it will add the dependency. I think I did it for your system, right? In your system who did it?
Yes.
Okay, then I don't need not say this. And I'll take the version as 3.8.1. Selenium Java. Control Shift F to format this, save this one, download and add everything here. Okay. So like once it is downloaded, for every project it's not going to download. You can reuse that thing.
Okay.
Now Control Shift O, it should take this STSNG. Next thing is we're going to do this login stuff that is already there in the Selenium project somewhere, I guess. Salesforce login. Oh, okay. So do you have the code? Can you just ping me the code? I can write the code, but can you just ping me the code if you have already handy?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe you cannot put all the codes at the same time. Maybe you can put in two hubs because there'll be more text. It may not keep.
Okay.
Try with full text. If it is not possible, then give in two hubs. Hmm. After WebDriver installation, please give driver.get then after driver.get.
I copied it in the chat window.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. I think part of the thing came. So, okay, let me say. Uh,
3-1. I have one more. Okay.
hold on. Oh, you clicked on. You did the thing for register account, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm asking for login. Simple login.
Okay, I got it. Let me give you.
Hmm. Right. Done. Now the thing is, how do you make sure that this is done? We click, but how do you make sure this is done? Only when we see that this my account is open, this is header is my account, then we will know that it is done.
Okay.
Right? It's a verification stage here. So how do you do that? Let's get this one. We need to assert that. Can we take by just class name star? Yeah, we're getting it just by class name page heading. Page header. Like here. This is the one that we want, right? We're
Mm-hmm.
getting the header here and we will check the equality of the header. Run as
Okay.
just now, because at the end you should must have a assert. Not maybe not may not be at the end, in the middle also, but at the end when you're reaching a conclusion, we should be able to you should verify.
Okay.
If it works, then we can do a close here. Pass now. Now, if I have to write for incorrect login, how do I do that?
You give an invalid password or invalid ID.
Correct. I'll give some, maybe I'll give welcome some namaste. So now you should write assert not equals. It should not be equal. Because if you enter wrong password, let me sign out. If you enter something wrong, it will say, you do sign in here. Now header, if you do a header, you'll get as this one, authentication.
Okay.
Okay, and if you run this one now, should not be equal to my account. So Jenkins is done. All the plugins is downloaded in Jenkins. Please take a look.
Okay.
First test case is done. Second one is doing.
Yeah, it was saying create first admin user. I was on that.
Okay, we'll come to that. Okay, so both the test case passed. So this one. Any question on this one?
No.
Okay. In the next question, we'll make it more modular and better. See, this is the first approach, and this we'll see second approach. That is page object model. Okay. Now I'm stopping the share so you can share your screen. Okay, username. You can write your username, what do you want like. Uh, Give all these things as Hema 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 so that you won't forget. By chance, if you forget, all the password and all also you can give anything.
Are these all mandatory? Or I can skip.
Maybe, yeah, you can try to click on save and finish. Mm. So everything it takes time. Okay, in a new tab, in another tab, please go to other tab. Please do localhost 8080. Please do continue as admin. That is taking like a lot of things. Please do continue as admin. Start using Jenkins. That is creating an option on start using Jenkins. Okay, done. So now you're logged in as admin. Please log out and log in back and log in. Press log in. Yeah, it's done. So we can create new user, upgrade that also. No worries. So see the other tab. What's happening? Okay, close this one. This is taking like lifetime. Yeah, setup is done and this is also done. Right, Jenkins, you're able to open.
Yes.
Okay, tomorrow in the next session we'll see page object model.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, ask for the videos and all if you can, and then we'll see. So you're joining tomorrow.
I'm sorry, what?
Tomorrow, are you joining? Tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is,
Tomorrow it's off, right? Like tomorrow, um, it's
yeah,
on
yeah,
Monday. Monday is Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning. Yes, fine.
Okay.
Then maybe next week we'll be able to complete the sessions.
So next week, so another 5 more classes we are done.
Yeah, total 25 sessions. Today we picked up 20/12. You can go through the sessions you have a weekend, right? So go through it and come back with doubts, whatever you have.
Mhm.
Then can set up took time, and we did. Started with Maven. Fine.
Okay.
All right then. We have another 4 sessions that will be taken in the next week. Fine then. See you next week.
Yeah, have a nice day. See you. Bye.
Listening to you. Yeah, bye.